and move to...
I hate this channel.
No! No! We are back! We are back!
Yo, we back. Another home improvement vlog. The garage is a little yeah with a yeah right now. The turf isn't fully done. The Home Depot boss ran out of the turf I use, so today we want to see if they have more in stores. The guy said he'll let me know, but the Home Depot is usually slow, so I just always go out there myself because they actually never call. But check this out. Guess what I found? And for ones who actually do DIYs, like do it your own, whatever, do it yourself, whatever you call it. But look what I found in the corner right here. These two right here, probably a good $80 right now, sold together. Okay, I'm kind of pushed like 60, but I found these along with the ones in the back. But I'm using this to build my dog a little shade area, a little tent, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know what to call it. A little chill spot. That's one in the artificial turf area. But yeah, that's clutch with the market of and the value of wood right now, which is crazy. Those each alone is $30. Oh my baby, 69. Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass, what you want to call it. But yeah, check me out. We're gonna be using this today. We're gonna get straight into it, man. Straight into it. So yeah, finna hop into it. I'll be right back. Go get rest of the wood. Gotta cut them up. Use some nails. Gotta probably get some more nails, but y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all like the first episode. If it's the first time tuning in, you didn't see the first episode, go check out the first episode, man. Home improvement, getting this house right. Alright. We have the mark though. Go ahead and cut. A little bit more. Yeah, that sounds perfect. Just like that, we good. Just getting back from Home Depot. Right, check me out. Y'all probably can't see this. Y'all see the Emerald Turf? $130. So, quick story. That's why I love, you know what I'm saying, paying it for it and being nice to people. So, this originally was supposed to come out to almost 300, 250, 280, whatever. But they didn't have the 12 feet wide to cut out. So I told the girl, let's do 6x12s. But she ended up writing that I had 12x12s. So these right here are usually like 280 for what it's worth, because I was trying to get 12x12 and they didn't have it. So I ended up doing two 6x12s. And I mean, the guy run me up everything, got the silica sand stuff for the dog house, the tops, whatever. But this right here is gonna run me up for one, which is, that's what I say, you just do right, man. Talk to people the right way, and that's what you get. Yeah, y'all see that? There we go. See that 130 right there, that corner, bottom right corner? He's gonna run me up for one of these bad boys. And these shits are expensive. These aren't the little rugs that gonna see me anything. These are the ones that actually, like, you need all this for. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned if we go to the back. So we bike. See now some of that down. I got the sand. Oh shit. Yeah. Look at that. Got my pallets nailed down together. Ain't don't worry about the ugly ass fence. Like I said, the fence will be redone. I cut up the root. I clear this out, gravel it out, compact it. I got my roof in the back piece. Like I said, it ain't too crazy. We ain't going, you know what I'm saying, all the way out. Kennel outside, they're all inside dog. Once again, they all inside dogs, so you know what I'm saying. So I'm just like, I'm gonna go ahead and put these up, put the structure up, and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. We back. I just ripped out a mean this long splinter from the pallet. Untreated wood. That's what I get. Should have some gloves on while I'm on it. Hopefully my ass ain't got none. Now we can go ahead and put on our back panels and go from there. Let's get it. That's gonna be it for the episode 2, Black Home Improvement. I forgot to cut the top beams to put on top of those woods, so we will see y'all in the next episode. Yeah, I'm tired. That's what happened when you're tired. Y'all stay tuned. Happy Juneteenth, everybody. Y'all can't see Diva. But yeah, get your updated episode 2. I don't know if y'all can see. I can't see on the camera that good, but yeah, probably how this finished today. Come along good. My pops helping me out. Messed up my wrist. Just moved all these back here. Shits are heavy. Laying all this gravel, wash sand, as you guys see. Well, we're probably like 2 feet off the ground, if that. This whole area right here was gazebos going. Throwing all that wood away. We gotta get this leveled out, flattened. The grass is flourishing. Some spots that I need to put some I don't know what to call it, little seeds to help it grow. But that's the grass I laid. It looks good. Mind, this should all be mud. We're probably like 6 inches off the ground now. which is good. But walkway right there, it's pretty muddy from bringing in these carts. I mean wheelbarrows. But yeah, so we got so far. All this gonna be gazebo, outside bar, garden bar, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we'll be done with this today. It's looking good. Looking great. Looking great. This probably gonna turf it out. This turf ain't make it only because the dogs. That's my fault. I shouldn't even lay the side down until it was done with all the construction type stuff, because the dogs would come out and pee on it because they seen new grass, and this wasn't even done yet, so they just come right out here and pee and mess up this grass. So it is what it is. I'll probably snatch it up and lay some more down just because we gotta fix this area. We did have a fireplace pit here with some of these rocks and stuff that we had, but we used it to lay here underneath all of this because this is pretty much high as hell from where we started. And like I said, this whole backyard just uneven as F. So it's coming along. I put down these 2 posts right here to make a fence. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this area. Still like a little bit of the garden that's left. All kind of stuff that was right here. Lemon grass and all kind of stuff. Here go the doggies. This is almost complete. They're bad. They're trained, but they're bad in the sense of they'll drop the stakes out the turf and pull it out, and the turf will come out. And the stakes are like 6 feet, 6 inches to the ground, so I gotta get long ones. Ivy, the smart one right here. She's the oldest. She's the only one that usually go in there where the shade is. What's up? But it looks good for the most part. Like I said, got so much going on. I mulched over there. I was gonna mulch here, but I'm actually going to get more pallets and bring this all the way out so they can have that whole section right there. And I'll probably move that mulch and finish turf out and finish the walkway turf as well too. You guys tired? Ready to go in the room? You guys ready? Like I said, water and food when they are out here. We picked big rocks right here because we actually got a water system that's gonna purify water for us. I'm more of a spring water drinker, but I mean, it's gonna save money, a lot of money. The tanks are in the front of the house. I don't know if you guys can see, well, y'all probably can't, but I put a camera up there. That cable don't run to the camera, but that's for the dish. We don't use dish, but I got a camera over here for these guys. Unfortunately, our neighbor's house got broken into like 2 days ago. For their back, but for the most part, they wouldn't want to do that with us. So you're gonna get your ass bit up by these dogs, or you're gonna get shot. I'm sorry. Yeah, but look, there they go. I'm so proud. I'm not even done with it, just 'cause I've been busy, and actually I'm all messed up right now. Lost my feelings in my hands, but look at them. See, that's what it's made for. Memphis in heat. Cosmo keep trying to hump her. Needs to stop. Bad girl Nova. Good girl Ivy. But yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. That's all trash. This came like this. Once again, we're gonna get the fence redone. The fence is terrible. Trees gonna get cut down. It looks like shit right now. Excuse my language, but trust me, when we're done with it, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see the growth. Truly. I let the dogs in. This right here, more about this. Yeah, I want to bring it out more eventually, but it's going good right now. It's been a long time coming with this. So much gravel I had to do. And mind you guys, I haven't paid nobody. I've been doing this. My bro Perk helped a few times, but honestly, it's just been me all by myself for the most part. And it's going good. This is a cheaper route, laying the tiles and then doing the cement, concrete cement slab, which will be over there. We're going to do the concrete over there, but this was a cheaper route. Paver sand, polymeric sand is in the corner right there. If you guys can see it, is in the cracks. So if you don't know about polymeric sand, once you like got it squared away, you fill it in, and then you lightly sprinkle it with water, and it acts as cement and glues together. So you guys see, these was just late today. We're gonna finish this out today as well. We gotta redo the frame. After we're done with the frame, I'll probably get more stones, like flag stones, the small ones to go around it. But it's gonna look great, man. It really is. And for my duck fans that do watch it, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be super nice having pre-game parties and, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that for the duck fans that's in Seattle and my area as well too. But yeah, that's it. Episode 2. I'm gonna show y'all once I'm done with this before I do end the episode. This all the way finished, then we gotta clear all this out. I still got like a whole truck of sand because I had to buy more sand for this, but I still got like a half a truck, and we're gonna clear all this out, put it all over there, then get ready to lay the concrete slab, which gonna be in episode 2. So y'all stay tuned. We still got like a lot more to go, but we'll be done here soon. Take off Father's Day tomorrow. Have fun. Cut these up right here. Fill those in as well too. So yeah, the house actually came with this small square. And kind of find out this little slab itself was crooked as well too. So that's why we got this space and how they just offset everything. So it's all good. It's all worth it. I'll probably bring them in. They chilling, but nah, they can stay out there. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm see y'all in a little bit.